Just a quick update on what we've been doing, or lack of what we've been doing. The weather's been absolutely terrible lately. There's the T20, all oiled up with a coat of a Watrol. Dad's been working on the F-20. We knew it needed a bit of work when we got it. Anyway, he's been stripping it down. We've got the wheels off, fuel tanks off. Anyway, we're ready for the head off, and that is why it needs a bit of work. But we're not frightened of it. We've done worse. The block's not cracked, the radiator looks good, so if worse comes to the worst, we can always break it for parts, sell it for parts, but I'm pretty confident we can do it. We've got the new front tyres for this. It's just a case of getting them prone on it. That is an absolute time warp, that. Lovely. So that's what we've been up to. Give you a quick shot in there. You don't know how often you get to see in there. No mouse nests on the clutch. The clutch is in good order, which is unusual because they usually get in through the timing mark hole there. But anyway, I'm pretty confident we'll get that going again. This runs nice. Original pinstriping, remnants of the decal. I've already got a new, the rad cap's a bit butchered on it. I've got a replacement, landed from America the other day. So yeah, quick oil change, that one's good to go. And hopefully get a bit of warmer weather here, we can do a bit more. It's a bit too cold for Dad, he's 80 now, remember. Anyway, that's what we're up to. Stop word.
Yeah, they're only as bad as his, weren't they?
Well, there's worse ones on YouTube, isn't there? Oh.
Yeah. Right, I'll cover that up. Have you shut the gate?
Hello.
Hello. Come here, let's have a look at
So that is possessed.
Hello, love. Oh, he's got a lump on his head. Haven't you? Come on, come on, come on. You got a lump on your head, or was it your ear?
No, probably his ear.
Eh? Was it your ear? Come on.
You wouldn't believe he was a wild cat, would you?
Come on, look.
Hey.
Look, Cal.
Yeah, but you wouldn't believe he was a wild cat, would you? It's not run for a year or two, has it?
No.
Seems to be 3 and 4, which are the bad ones on the head.
Yeah, I'm clean.